Hi everyone. We are super duper excited to be back after our long break. We had a little break because of Columbus Day holiday. My students and I want to teach you, this is my 4th grade class, say hi.
Hi.
We want to teach you, we were struggling with rounding, and we do have a lengthy process. We call it the Hill strategy. I'm not really sure if that is the correct name, but what's important to us is that it helps us get the right answer. It is long. We are aware that there are other strategies, but this is what has helped us, and we hope that by sharing it with you, it helps you if you also struggle with rounding. So we're going to start by, let's title our paper Rounding Practice. And the first, for this video, we're going to round up to the 10,000th. So what I'll do is I'll pick a number, just any random number. Okay, write it right in the middle. We call this the hill because we draw a little hill. And what goes right on the top? The 5. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what you're doing is you're going to list your numbers in order, starting with 0 all the way to 9. So 0 through 4 needs to go on the left side, and then 6 through 9 needs to go on the right, with 5 right in the middle. Okay, so for this one, let's say we're rounding to the nearest thousands. Which number am I going to underline if I'm rounding to the nearest thousands?
Kathleen.
Kathleen. Very good. We are underlining the 2. And then we always circle which number?
Kimberly G.
Kimberly G. The 8. So it's always a number right after the one you underlined. Okay? So with this number here, this 3 in front of the 1,000 in the 10,000s place, what do we do with it? We didn't circle it. We didn't underline it. In fact, it's in front of the number they want rounded. Cindy. Very good. It stays a 3. We leave it alone. Anytime, any number in front of the one you underline, you leave it alone. They don't want you to change it. Now, what we're doing here is we have 2 options. These are going to be, one of these numbers that we're writing down here will be our answer, but at the end we have one true answer. So the number we underlined? Luis, what do we do with the number we underlined in our 2 possible answers?
It goes up or stays the same.
Very good. He says it can stay the same or go up. You have to leave it in order, the 2 and the 3. It has to be in numerical order in order for this strategy to work. So you can't write the 3 over here and then the 2. It has to be 2, 3. Now what happens to the number that we circled, which is the 8, and everything after? Anna. Very good. It turns into zeros. And Anna, why do we circle it? What does the circle remind us of? Very good. It reminds us of 0, so that's just kind of, it helps us. So we know by the end of this, either 32,000 or 33,000 is our answer. So the digit that we circled in our number is also the digit we circle where? On your hill, which is over here. Now, does your 8 that you circled on your hill on the right, or is it on the left? Right. So guess what? It's that easy. 33,000 is your answer. How awesome is that? All right, let's go with, let's do our hill this time first. Okay, and let's go with 35,251. What do I write on the top? 5. Wake up, guys. What do I write on the top? 5. Awesome. Then we have 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, this time let's say that we're rounding to the nearest hundreds. So remember I said whatever you're rounding to, you underline that digit. So what digit am I underlining this time? Mari. Very good. She says the 2 because the 2 is in the hundreds place. Okay, what number am I circling then?
Fernando C.
Fernando C. He says the 5. Which 5? Which place value? Very good. In the tens. It's always the one right after the one you underline. All right. Now we're going to come up with our 2 possible answers.
Jonathan B.
Jonathan B. What happens to this 3 and 5 in front of the one we underlined? What did we say? Very good. We leave it alone. It stays the same. They don't want you to do anything with it. Okay? What about the number we underlined? Tram. Very good. She says it can either stay the same or go up the line. All right? And she says up the line because we have a song that says 5 or more, or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, move up the line. Okay. So what happens is this number we circled and everything after. Jody. It's okay. Turns into zeros. Very good. It's okay. We'll answer it in a little bit. We're almost done with our video. Good. So now the digit we circled in our number is the number we circle where?
The hill.
Very good. The hill. Okay, but this time around, I like this example a lot because this time around it's right in the middle. And this is where our song helps us because it's not on the right side, it's not on the left side. So everybody say it with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go up the line. Very good. So we know that's going to have to be the bigger number, which is 35,300. Okay, and we will do one more. I'll do my hill. Let's all draw our hill. Oops, there you go. 412. Almost forgot the 1. So right in the middle we know is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to come up with our 2 possible answers. This time I want to round to the 10,000th place. So can we call on someone? Laisha. What number do I need to underline? What digit? Which one? Very good. She says in the 10,000th place. What number do I circle?
Kimberly G.
The 2. Okay, very good. Now, do we have any numbers and any digits in front of the 1 that we underlined? No. So that's where we're going to start. The number we underlined, I'm going to call on someone, okay? Alexis. The number we underlined, what happens to it?
It can stay the same or go up to 9.
Very good. He says it can stay a 1 or go up to a 2. Or he said it can stay the same or go up the line. Now, what happens to the number we circled and everything after? Kimberly. Very good. They become zeros. So notice everything after was 1, 2, 3, 4, so you would add 4 digits. All right. So the digit we underlined in our number is also the digit we circle. Who have I not called on? Jesse. Is also the number we circle where? The circle. The one we circled, where do we circle it? Very good. On the hill. So we circle it here. So is this on the left side or the right side, the number we circled on the hill? On the left side, so that we know it's this. This is your answer. All right, thanks so much for watching our strategy. We hope that it helps you when you're doing homework, at school, whatever. And Tram is going to say our goodbyes.
Hi, my name is Tram. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and give a big thumbs up. And have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, there you go. Yes, we did it. All right, we need to go. Still going. Ah!